Welcome to the Glammy Planner, and I am going to be planning for the week of December 13th through 19th in my big dashboard happy planner. I am using Christmas Girl by Lovely Planner, and I'll put a link down below. Nothing is sponsored. This was a free printable, and I am using paper from a paper pad from Recollections, and oh, there it is. Sorry about that, I moved it. There we go, beautiful night. And I've been using this one a while, but I find the paper pads, they last and last and last. But I do love using paper pads in my planner. However, do keep in mind if you do want to use the paper pads, some of them are kind of thick. This one's cardstock like, not quite cardstock, but definitely a little thicker than regular paper. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. I'm not going to be using purple and purple flowers, so I am going to cover this up with a sheet I cut out. I actually used my silhouette, and in doing so, this is my first time to use my silhouette to cut them. I usually just did it by hand. I discovered that my ruler is actually off a little bit, so I do have a little white space down here, so I'm going to cover that up with the ornaments. So I will be right back while I do that and see you in just a moment. I'm back. I went ahead and used just plain sticker paper to cover up the purple flowers there and cover up the days of the week with the days that came with the printable. Now, it doesn't come with the dates on it. I have a silhouette, and this printable is actually 2 pages, and I moved over onto one sheet what I wanted for this week, and I went ahead and put the dates in for that. And I ended up actually having to print 2 because it didn't cut right the first time, and that was my fault, I think. So I will also I'll have these days to put on my pocket planner, as I call it. Okay, let's see. I do not need this up here, so I'm going to leave that there. I'm not sure if that's going to be too much or not. What exactly I'm going to do right there, because I do want to put this little strip up here. Just add a little color. This just reminds me of Wassel. You know, she's got the cinnamon stick and the orange sticking out, and to me that is just a wonderful cozy drink. It's just basically spice cider. Okay, let's put the weekend down here. Go ahead and get that going. The meal planning, it's really going to be for my lunches more than anything else. We really don't do a whole lot. I'm bad about it. I work full-time. My husband, my ring's backwards. Sorry, my husband works nights, so we're like opposite shifts, so it really gets crazy. Though I do know on Friday I'm making seafood gumbo, because I have a child's birthday. Child being 19, it happens so fast. Okay, I do need my work hours, but I don't know if I want them right there or not. I kind of like that right there. Kind of ties it in because there is some ornaments here. But, oh, that's probably got out of the screen there. Sorry about that. I am working on my settings of where best to put my camera to get the best view, because I haven't liked the last few. Okay, we do have day off here, so I'm going to go ahead and use this, which got really, I don't know if I got lucky or not. I have the birthday off, but then I have to work that Saturday, so I am definitely going to put my work hours up here. And I honestly don't even know what they are. I worked out of town last week, and then I actually had to ask, well, do I work Monday? So I'll find out what my hours are Monday, besides knowing the Friday and the Saturday. Let's see here. What do I want this to be able to write some stuff on. I know I'm going to have to do errands. I know it's the birthday. They're going to have a little sleepover. All right, I've got to use this sticker because it is absolutely my favorite of this. She's just, to me, she's just so into the hot drink and enjoying the warmth of it, enjoying the season. Okay, let me put this here, I'll label that. That is going to be for social media. Okay, and then I'll need, okay, just a weekly to do. And Christmas is around the corner, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one in here too, just in case. If I can think of more gifts. I really need to do a, yeah, I'm going to use a long one right here. I need to do a, finish up what I need to do for Christmas to do. Okay, and a lot of times on these notes, like this has a note space, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be for that day. Sometimes it's just a general to do for the week. Okay, I know that's a little crooked. I really want to put something up there. Let's see. I wonder if this says joy. I wonder if it's going to show through. If it'll, sorry, if the back page will show through or not. And I know I need to put December on here as well. Let's see. It's going to be a little darker than I like, but I think it'll work. So I don't guess I've used this one because joy is not even complete. Let's put up there the joy. Let's see, well, Merry and Bright, is that going to be too reddish? Because I do love this Merry and Bright. And I don't know, let's do some more of this right here. We'll do some layering. Move that. See if I can get that lifted up. Don't want to do the undo because I don't know how that would work with the cardstock. Do keep in mind when using cardstock that if you have a Happy Planner punch, it will not punch through. Sorry. I do have a Happy Planner punch and I do use it at times. But do keep in mind it will not punch the thicker ones. Now if it's thin, it'll do it just fine. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, so let me layer the rest of these as well. Guess I should have thought about that before I put them down. And I do have the undo if I need it. This is undo. Cannot buy it in California. It is amazing. It will take up the sticker and then you can still use the sticker. It blows my mind. Put that on this side. Try to get it straight there. Okay, let's see if we got room for one more here. Let's see. I think I'm going to use this girl. To me, she looks so cozy in that big sweater and the UGG style boots there. Let's put that there. And yeah, that'll go over it a little bit, but that'll be good. I know it's not perfectly straight. Let's see. I am thinking, yes, we're going to get a extra week there. Okay, the rest of these I'm going to use in my pocket planner. I think I am going to go ahead and stick that there. I do like it. Well, if I have any... No tape left. Literally, I just pulled it off. Okay, so let me do a refill and I'll be right back. I'm back with some fresh refill tape. I do get this at Hobby Lobby. If you choose not to shop there, you can get this kind of roller tape at any of the craft stores. Let's cover that up. I kind of like that. It kind of ties that in. I really enjoy the way this is going. Okay, I got some new stickers this week from the Black Friday sale, and I really am loving the Squad Life and the Squad Goals because it is seasonal ones, which totally threw me off, which I like. But I wanted to put some kind of Christmas tree down there, or several trees. Let's see how I want to do that. Get these over here. But yeah, I feel like these kind of go in with the color of the girl and the cups and everything. Look at the little snowman. That is so cute. No snow here, and I am fine with it. All right, I kind of just have to do this one. Hustle, hustle. Because this is going to be my Friday. I know it's child's birthday, but I'm also going to be, it's a week before Christmas, getting things together. Okay, let's see. Which ones do I want today? And I'll probably be using these books for years to come. I really like these two. Let's see here. Let's do, there we go. You know what, why don't I just, there we go. Do some on both sides of the weekend there. So, see if I get another one of those, that would be nice. If not, then we'll do different ones on each side. Oh good, we do. So I can do this one on that side too. Oh. Well, I say that. There we go. Oh, it's going to cut into the Saturday though. Oh well, it'll show through. We know what day of the week it is. Let's see, get this one up. There we go. I love the look of the clear, but at the same time, they're really, I find them hard to work with sometimes. All right, I'm going to take these little stars and, well, I can't do it on the 18th one, can I? So we're just going to put the stars on the two smaller ones. Okay, so I want something on Tuesday, don't I? Let's see. Yeah, let's do, sorry, I know I'm off camera at the moment. I'm looking at them. Let's do some packages. There we go. It just looked a little bare right there. All right, so this one's going to be, I think, short and sweet. Let's get that in there really good. And all right, and there's, oh, that one's crooked. And it's going to tear it if I do. Oh, well, out of luck. All right, so here we go. This is not quite finished. I need a date. Sorry about that. I actually, apparently, there is a bubble package I missed. That big plastic that comes in the candles I got from Bath and Body Works sale. Apparently, one of those had fell and I had missed it. Okay, so let's do, we need a December. But these are clear. And I don't think that's going to work for that December. Okay, so we're going to do some improvising. I am, let's see here. So let's see if this will work. Put this on the white. And then some scissors. And just cut the December out. I would have realized that sometimes I will go ahead and add to the printable that I'm printing things that I might need. I mean, I added the dates on this one. And I did not even think about doing a December. Okay, sorry, why is it hard to talk and do the intricate work? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so get that done. And make sure we pull off the right backing. All right, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use my little cutter here. Just cut the back. And there we go, folds right off. Love that little tool. All right, so here we go, December. All right, let's get this out of the way. So much for using those in my pocket planner since I used that one there. But here we go. December 13th through 19th of 2021. I hope you have a great week. I hope you're enjoying the holidays and you get some family time, and don't let the rush get to you. Breathe. It's not going to really matter pretty much the day after. The idea is just to get together with friends and family and enjoy the season. Y'all have Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, whatever you may celebrate. God bless.